Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before starting video, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel, and to get each and every update please click on the bell icon. And if you have not watched the previous video, then please watch it. Those will help you to understand this video. In this video, we will see how to use P namespace, and this video is more like cleanup activity. Watch till the end, you will come to know what is P namespace. Spring's P namespace is an alternative to using the property tag. Using P namespace, we can perform dependency injection by directly using the attribute of being tag instead of using the property. P namespace is more compact than property tag. Using P namespace reduces the amount of XML required in Spring configuration. The size of Spring configuration using P namespace is typically less than 1 with using property tag. Here is the syntax. Let's implement. Before starting anything, let's run and see what we added till now. It's working fine or not. Service started. See, it's working fine. Let's first remove that stuff from Spring Servlet and keep it in a separate file. So to make it simple, file name should be Spring app. To make it simple, let's remove the versions from all the namespaces. Now need to import newly created file in Spring Servlet. Before add changes, all the places, let's make sure that everything is working fine or not. Let's restart the server. Server started. See, log is coming from aspect, means it's working fine. Let's get rid of Hibernate CFG file. There is a property called Hibernate Properties in local session factory bean class, so with the help of this property we can ignore CFG file. Now there is no need of CFG file, so let's delete this file. After remove Hibernate CFG, let's check it is working fine or not. Server started. See, it's working fine. Let's add p namespace so can replace property tag with that. So after replace code become very less. Let's check everything is working fine or not. Service started. It's working fine. Let's change project presentation. Let's remove session factory init part also. Let's check once again it's working or not. Let's restart the server. Server started. See, it's working fine. Let's review whatever we added. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video then please click the like button. We will come back shortly with new video. Till the time, happy learning.